Let's talk about the flood-ravaged state of Kerala as it continues to grapple with bout of heavy rainfall. The death toll in the landslide that took place in Idukki now 2 days back on Friday has risen to 43 after rescue officials also retrieved 17 more bodies from the debris on Sunday. Efforts are still underway to trace the missing others, and that is estimated to be nearly 20 amid the inclement weather conditions. Now, the rain-triggered landslide occurred in the early hours of Friday when a hillock at a tea plantation in the Rajamala near Munnar came down, burying rows of quarters of the estate workers, 78 people who were living in those 30 rooms. The NDRF chief in the charge of South Indian state, Rekha Nambiar, has been entrusted with the task of leading the 55-member team in search and rescue mission. The state government has also announced a compensation of 5 lakh rupees to the families of those who have been killed in the landslide.
We are at Velleri village in Mundakai of Wayanad district, where red alert has been issued by Met Department, where there is a continuous rain in this particular district. If I tell you that the river which is downstreaming towards the other side is not actually the river, but it is a road which has been completely washed away by heavy rains from past few days. And where I am standing right now is, if I tell you that this is a house where people used to live, and it has been completely washed away because of rain. 2 houses, one here and the other house on the other side, was been completely washed away due to heavy rain from past few days. And people say that there are not proper infrastructure here, and thankfully nobody got injured or nobody was killed in this particular landslide in this particular village. You can see that these are the gentlemen who have saved people who are involved in relief work, and this is a gentleman who have lost his house. These are the 2 people who lost their houses in this particular area, and they believe that once the rain gets subsidized, they will be back to their place and they will try to reconstruct their house. And they feel that the district administration have helped them, but still these are the volunteers from Pulse Emergency along with the NDRF and fire tender people who have saved them and who have involved themselves in the rescue operation, and they are trying to do the reconstruction work in this area. Sir, can you tell us, sir, कितना तकलीफ हुआ था, क्या हुआ था सर जब बारिश आया था यहाँ पे?
बारिश आ गया सुबह 8 बजे हम लोग को फ़ोन किया आया था, इधर ब्लास्ट हो गया। हम लोग इधर आया, बहुत आदमी लोग उसका अंदर भी है, उधर 9 आदमी लोग उधर एस्टेट में भी है। हम लोग बाद में ट्री है ना, ट्री क्रॉस डाल के रिवर का ऊपर क्रॉस डाल के आदमी लोग उधर से लेके आया। बहुत तकलीफ से लेके आया था, बहुत मुश्किल थे, बहुत पानी भी है, बहुत बड़ा पानी आ गया। और हाँ, आदमी लोग को कुछ नहीं हो गया, लेकिन सबको हम लोग रक्षा किया।
सर सुबह सर காலையில் எத்தனை மணிக்கு மழை வந்தது, எத்தனை மணிக்கு வீடு போயிடுது சார் உங்களுக்கு? எத்தனை மணி
8 மணி.
எத்தனை பேர் வீட்டில் இருந்தீங்க?
4 மணி 4 பேர் 4
பேர் எல்லாரும் போயிட்டீங்க?
எல்லாரும் போய் அல்ல சேஃப்.
How heavy was rain? Rain எப்படி இருந்தது?
வீடா
rain மழை எப்படி இருந்தது?
நல்ல பெரிய மழை சார், நல்ல மழை.
ഓക്കേ സർ, നിങ്ങളുടെ വീട്ടിൽ എത്ര പേർ ഇരുന്നീங்க?
ഞങ്ങളുടെ വീട്ടിൽ എല്ലാവരും ഒരാഴ്ച മുമ്പേ മാറി താമസിച്ചു. അതുകൊണ്ട് അപകടം ഒഴിവായി. പിന്നെ വീടെല്ലാം പോയി.
What these gentlemen are saying, around 4 o'clock it started to rain heavily, and at that point of time they all left from this place thankfully, and after that all these houses got demolished due to heavy rain. And you can also see that the electric poles was also has fallen, and you can see the electric wire which used to connect this side has been completely disconnected, and people don't have electricity right now. And more than electricity, you can also see this particular site here, the trees are uprooted completely. The trees and other stuff which was there in this particular area has been completely uprooted, and people here are finding very difficult to survive with this increasing rain every single day. And what we also get to learn is the meteorological department has also issued a red alert in the entire Wayanad district, where they have predicted that rain might continue in coming days. Video journalist Sadanand Sagairaj reporting for Republic TV, Wayanad.
The landslide that happened in the estate area close to the famous tourist center Munnar of Kerala is a very tragic incident. Around 28 bodies have been till now searched.